As a business owner, if you are not running retargeting ads, then you are leaving a lot of money on the table. So in this video, we'll be showing us how to create custom audience as well as lookalike audience. So your custom audience is to help you to run retargeting ads and target those customers that have not previously taken action when they saw your ad before now. Then the lookalike audience will actually help you to target customers that look like those that have taken action. As a business owner who make a lot of sales online, it's good that you eventually have to create your custom audience and your lookalike audience. Is that right? So if you have been running ads on Facebook, the best approach to reduce your cost per conversion is to create custom audience and your lookalike audience. And we are going to be showing you exactly how to do that in this video, the right way to do it, especially in this new Facebook interface. So the best thing to do is to head straight to this part of your screen and click on all tools. So once all tools is out, you click on what? Audiences. Is that right? So once audiences is out, you have something like this. So you have an interface where it shows you your already created custom audience and lookalike audiences. So you can see that most of the audience availability is what? Already. So this is a very good audience that I've created before now, and you can see the dates created as well as who you are sharing it with. Supposing you have several business managers that are sharing it with, it should show here. So you have estimated audience size, then you have the type, and you have the name. So the thing you need to do here is to go on to create audience. So they will ask you what kind of audience you want to create: custom audience, lookalike audience, special audience, or is it from saved audience? But what you want to create is what? A custom audience. Connect with the people who have already shown an interest in your business or product with custom audiences. So you just hit on custom audience. So in creating custom audience, you have to be strategic about it. What are your sources of custom audience? Is it people that have visited your website? Is it from a customer list? Is it from an offline activity? Is it from an app activity or catalog? But the custom audience that I want to create here is from people that have actually watched our video. All right, so they have watched 5% of our video or 95% of our video. Is okay. So we are going to creating custom audiences from all this. So if they watch our video, that means they are interested in the product. This is all right. So that's what custom audience is all about. So I hit on next and it brings us here. So create a video engagement custom audience. So select the kind of custom audience you want to create. So have people who have viewed at least 3 seconds of your video, then people who have watched 95% of your video. So we're going to be creating from 3 seconds up to people that have viewed 95% of our video. Is all right. So you can select several options, but people that have actually viewed the video, yes. Then people that have viewed 95% of the video, that means they are super interested. So like want to capture everything. Then we'll have the retention. So the highest here is actually 365 days, and it says what the number of days people will remain in your audience after they engage in your content. So I'm just going to pick the last 60 days. Is all right. All right, so the last 60 days. Then the audience name, I'm just going to say it is video views. Okay, then there's a code I'm going to use. All right, so this code is not to me alone because I'm surely going to use this audience. All right, so the description is those who watched 3% and 5%. Okay, so you can just type something meaningful. Then for 3% video, you have to choose videos. Is that right? So once you click on choose video, it's going to bring up a whole lot of videos for you to choose from. So the videos can come from your Facebook page, and you can decide if particular Facebook page that you want to select from. So I go ahead to select the particular Facebook page where the video is. So make sure that you click on next eventually once you are done with this particular page, because if you see this arrow going forward, that means there are more videos. So you can see 3-second video views is for this particular video is 9,268. This one is just 198, as well as the date that it was last used. This one's at 0, so I won't need to select any one of them. So I'm just going to select this. So these are the video views I eventually want to use. Then I hit on what? Confirm. Is that right? So you can also go ahead to decide if you want to select your video sources from Instagram business profile, from a campaign, or from a video ID. Supposing you already have the video ID, you can paste it here. But the best way to go is to select from the Facebook page, which you have done. So I hit on what? Confirm, and it should be added accordingly. So people who have watched at least 95% of your video, you can now go ahead to choose videos for 95% watch. It's almost the same thing, so we'll just go ahead to select accordingly, then confirm. So creating your custom audience is actually very easy. It's a seamless process. So once you have done with that, you go ahead to click on what? Create audience. So this creates your audience, and immediately it will ask you these questions. Your custom audience was created. It may take a few minutes for us to finish matching your customers to people on Facebook. You can check the status in Audience Manager. So it's always advisable for you to create this particular custom audience before you start using it to run ads. Although Facebook will tell you that you can always start using it to run ads, because once created, it will always indicate populating. Is that right? So next step is create a lookalike audience. Create an ad, create another custom audience. But you always want to create a lookalike audience of the custom audience you just created once you created your custom audience. Hope I'm not too fast. So you go ahead to click on what? Create a lookalike audience. Now, the lookalike audience will be created from the custom audience we just created. Alright, so select audience location. So audience location definitely should be in your default country. So in this case is Nigeria. Nigeria. Alright, so you select the country, and it goes ahead to tell you that the country is within Africa and Nigeria. So you can select other countries, but this is what we want to work with. So number of lookalike audience. So I want you to get something straight here. So the smaller the percentage is, the more likely your audience is going to look like your custom audience. Is that right? So the higher it goes, the more this particular number increases. Is that okay? So the more this particular number increases. Is that right? So, but the more the percentage of your selected audience size, the less likely are they to match your custom audience. So most times I always do what? 2, okay? So that it selects from 0 to 1% and from 1% to 3%. Is okay? So 1% video views, they'll have 1% to 3%. So this actually estimates. Is okay? Although you can decide to select 3 or 4, but to get pinpoint results, you should try and do this. Is that right? So it can be from here to here or from here to here, but I try not to go beyond 3%. Is that right? So this is what I usually use, either 0 to 1% or 0 to 2%, then 2% to 3%. So whichever one you can just test. Remember, setting up your ad is all about testing, okay? But you must actually know what you are testing. That is what differentiates the learners from the pros. Okay, so you now go ahead to create on what? Create audience. So your lookalike audience will now be created off your custom audience. Then once it's done, it comes back to this particular screen, and you should see something like what? Populating for the lookalike audience that you just created, as well as the custom audience that you just created. So for now, you see below 1,000. So it should be ready by within 24 hours. That's why it's good to always create your custom audience and lookalike audience earlier. All right, so this particular audience here is below 1,000. It might not be very, very good for to be used as an audience type to run ads, because Facebook will actually struggle to find these people and it will cost you more. All right, hope you got value in this video. Remember to support us by smashing that subscribe button right away. So this channel is dedicated for business owners, those who want to sell online, those who want to scale their business online, those who sell items online. So do well to subscribe to our channels to always get updates. You can also hit the notification bell so that you get updates when we drop videos like this. Remember to always add value, because it's on adding value that you eventually make lots of profits. Customer first. Peace out. Hello business owners, go-getters and profit makers. As a digital marketing agency, I'm always here to give you value and help your business grow online. That is the aim of the videos we create online. So this channel is dedicated to business owners who want to make more sales, get more customers and grow their business online, leveraging on the power of social media. Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads. So do well to go ahead and smash that subscribe button right away. Haha.